Hey y'all. All right, y'all, this is a little pip berry wreath. So on the berry wreaths, the first thing that you're gonna do is make sure that they're all fluffed out and looking good. All right. Y'all, now look, people buy these just plain. If you want to do them just plain, that's fine. I'm gonna add a monochromatic bow to this one too. The berries are red, orange, rust, all different colors. All right, y'all, on this one, we don't want a bow that's too huge because the berries aren't very big. So we're gonna do about 5.5 inches. This is called a pip, P-I-P, berry wreath. And y'all, once again, this is super bright on camera today, and it's not that bright in person. All right, so I'm just gonna assume it's the lights. The LED ring is closer than normal, so I wonder if it's throwing off the color. Because this looks like fire orange, bright orange, on at least on my phone screen, it looks fire orange kind of, and it's not. It's a muted rust. Where do I get all the cute ribbon? Deco Exchange. How fun is that, y'all? All the colors are crazy tonight. Y'all, but the idea is to keep it simple with the correct light.